Hi everyone, we're going to look at finding the determinant of a matrix. So here I have a question, and the question says if matrix A is 1, 3, 2, 8, find the determinant of the matrix A. So there are different ways to write determinant of a matrix. We can write it as DETA. We can also write it as like this, two lines bounding the A, right? So you can write it either way. DETA may be the easiest fit to remember. Any one is you can use it. So to find the determinant of the matrix, what we do is we're going to look at the main matrix here. We're going to take multiply the two numbers in the first diagonal. So I'll write over matrix A here. This is the first diagonal, right? We're going to multiply those two numbers. So we're going to say 1 times 8. Then we're going to subtract the product of the other two numbers in the opposite diagonal. So that's the 3 and the 2. So subtract 3 times 2. And that will be 1 times 8 is 8. Take away 6, which is 2. So if we had to get generalized form, let's say matrix B is A, B, C, D, then the determinant of matrix B will be first diagonal, the product of the first diagonal, A times D. One error here that I made, you don't need to put this bracket here, right? Have a big bracket. Right, so determinant of B will be first diagonal, product of the first diagonal, A times D, subtract B times C. And you can just go further and write it as AD, because A times C is AD, take away BC. And that's how we find the determinant of a matrix.